So it's off-road day. Off-road day again. Sunday, sun's out, no rain, good day to go out. We got 3 Jimnys today and 1 Subaru. Good morning! Good morning! You're pajamas! You're on pajamas? Done. Are you ready? Yeah? Done deflating. Gonna drive a bit. Gonna have a breakfast. And then yeah, I'll bring you when we get there. My first time driving in Muriwai. Or Muriwai, sorry. It's my first time driving in Muriwai, so very excited. See what's in store for us today. Here's everyone having breakfast. It's morning, but we got chicharron. So what do we got? We got nothing here, so that's not very useful. We got spaghetti, we got sausage, we got rice. We're Filipinos, so we always have to have rice. So we're just driving by, made a quick stop over because if you can see, there's
Where's your mommy? I see nothing. Ah!
Gonna get this piece of wood, put it close.
So sorry, buddy.
Just gonna put it close to you, right? Just giving you some protection, buddy. Giving you some protection.
Just two pieces of wood, one here and one there, just to keep it a little bit safe. That's a wild animal, so you don't want to touch a wild animal unless you know what you're doing. I don't have the steering wheel. She does. She's the driver. First time with Chai driving. Let's see. Let's go! Yes, no, keep going! Yeah, let's go! Nice! Keep going. That is so nice.
Is that enough?
Wow!
Oh, like konting-konti na lang eh. Konti na lang.
Let's go, come on.
Grabe, ang bilis!
Wow!
The Jimny's made it one take. Challenge is on me.
Diyan nga. Ganda ko.
Yun!